Alright guys, so I just installed the radiator, I bled the system and everything, and check this out. It was literally like almost 80 degrees outside yesterday, and it's snowing right now. Like, look at it. It's literally snowing right now. Look at Kiwi. Oh my god, look at that. Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So, another video with the Miata today. In the last 2 days, I did the water pump, the timing belt, I did a full overhaul on the engine. So, all that's fresh now. New belts, new seals, new water pump, new radiator. So, the car runs, the car drives. I already test drove it. Everything's good. Timing's all set. So, next what we have to do is we have to fix the upper radiator headlight support. Like I said in previous videos, we're going to cut out these wheel wells right here and right here, since it's already been crashed on this side and it's all messed up on this side. So we're just gonna get rid of that. We're gonna get this piece that I got from a donor Miata. We're gonna drill out the spot welds right now, and then we're gonna transfer just this top piece onto here. Right now what we have to do is just remove this part, and then we're gonna, after we drill out the spot welds, we're gonna take this piece, lay it over here, we're gonna measure, and then we're gonna cut. It's kind of hard to explain, but you guys will see in a second. So first what we gotta do is separate this upper piece from the actual frame rails, and then we can kind of transfer it after I remove that, lay it over, and then kind of mock everything up before we start cutting. I also got this brand new angle grinder, so that should help us a lot. There's cutting discs, there's grinding discs, so everything we need to prep this piece to get welded into here. Let's go ahead, me and Jeremiah are gonna go ahead and start drilling this out. There's also some surface rust on this, so I got some paint and primer. So we're gonna probably paint and primer it before we throw it in. We also got this strut tower support brace. We're gonna also sand that, prime it, and then I think we're gonna paint it in silver to kind of go with the whole theme. Also the bash bar, it's slightly starting to surface rust on some of the spots. We're gonna clean it up, and then for now I'm gonna clear coat it because I think that would look pretty sick. So if I ever want to change the color, I could do that, but just to protect it, we're gonna go ahead and clear coat that too. I also picked up these new chisels just so we could separate the spot welds and kind of use these to split the pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and try them. Right now we're just trying to get all the seam sealant off just so we can separate the two panels. It's really on there. Even though it's just spot welds, it's still like, it's on there.
Okay.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got most of the spot welds out, and this is what it looks like. You see this piece is separated, as you can see right there. All those spot welds are drilled out. Jeremiah's just separating. There's like 2 more spot welds that are left, and this whole piece here. Shake this piece. No, like the other piece. That piece. Look at that. So this whole piece is gonna come right off, and then we can start priming it, sanding it, and all that, and prepping it. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we finally got all the spot welds drilled out, so this piece should just come right off. Oh, you forgot the bottom part. Last 2 welds, guys, we forgot these. All the spot welds are finally out now. Check this out. Ooh. Boom! This piece is out now, separated, and now we can get ready to put it on right like that. But as you can see right here on this piece, there's a little bit of like surface rust on some of the spots, you see? Right there. It's not too bad, but what we're gonna go ahead and do, sand all the rust spots down, and then sand the rest of this piece, and we're gonna get it primed up, and then we're gonna get it painted up before we put it in there. Also, I'm gonna get rid of this piece right now too, just so we can kind of start mocking it up. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I got my new angle grinder. I haven't even tried it yet. I have the cutoff wheel on it. So this piece we need to get rid of as well if you want to show this piece. You see the gold right here? And then look at the gold on this side real quick. So I was talking to my welding buddy, and he's like, that's probably helium welding, or like when they have the actual helium torch. It's like old school welding. When it was in another accident, they re-welded the front end like with helium core. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the angle grinder and we're just gonna hit these welds because we're getting rid of all this anyway. After we get that off, we can actually test fit this piece onto here so nothing's in the way. So let's get cutting. We got our safety glasses. Sketchy. Smoking, look at that.
I know. Holy shit, it's hot.
Hot. Look at this thing. Crazy. This thing is pretty good for like 30, 40 bucks or whatever. Zoom in on it. Get close, look. Oh, easy money. I just went through those. Oh, look at that. And then look at this. Keep filming. You could definitely tell that this was welded because look how bad of a job they did. Look at that. And look at those, like, look at those welds. It just comes right off, bro. Look at this. Ooh, that's hot.
I bet.
Alright, ready? Watch this. Boom.
Easy.
Who needs this? Huh? Oh my god, look at that, guys. So all that's out. Check this out. Now that we have access to all this, now that that headlight piece is removed, I can get this piece and we can basically bolt it in the front, and we're gonna be able to just kind of test fit it and see where we need to cut. So look at this. Go from the front. So look at that. That's the new piece that's gonna go in. We're probably gonna cut with like an inch of extra space on the welds, just so we can have a little extra room to work with when we weld. But other than that, guys, check this out. That's insane. That's looking good. So yeah, let's go ahead and start prepping this while we still have daylight, and let's start sanding it and we can paint it. But that's pretty much how it's gonna go. So let's go, guys. One step closer. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm using this like polishing disc to kind of get all the little rust spots off of it before we prime it. And then we also got some sandpaper, and we're just kind of going by hand and sanding everything just to kind of clean it up and before we get it primed and painted. So you want to help me sand?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, we gotta also drill out the spot welds on these old wheel wells. So I'm doing that on both sides. Once we drill all those out, we're gonna lay the new piece in there, and then I'm just gonna trim. We just need to get these pieces off now. So let's go ahead and drill those out and start prying these off. Alright, so now we're removing the other sides. Look at that. Okay, stop for a sec. Stop. Let me show them. So we're getting rid of these damaged wheel wells, and then let's see. Don't stop at this one for now, okay? Okay. So because we're gonna have to put the other one on and see, and then on this side I'm still kind of working with this one, trying to get it all removed, and then we're gonna lay that piece on top of here and just kind of see exactly. Draw a line with a Sharpie. I'm gonna cut it, but leave a little bit of extra room right here. So let's go. Now the final part is to, if you come right here, we need to remove these old half of the wheel well piece. So originally that's where I measured it, but just to give us some room before we actually prep everything and weld it, I'm just gonna go like, it's almost like 2 inches, and cut a little shorter just so we have some room to play with. Let me go ahead and get the angle grinder and cut that side out. And then same thing with this side. As you can see, I just gave us a little more extra room to play with, and we're gonna cut right here. So let's get these pieces out. Plugged in.
Oh boy. Smells so good.
Huh?
I love that smell.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up. Let's see. You filming?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of get that out of our way. It's hot though.
I bet it's hot.
It looks a little messy right now, but that's why we have extra room. Yeah, I just gotta get in there and do one more cut. Boom! Look at that, guys. Ooh, race car. Look at this. This is the damaged piece on this side. So, look at that. Got her out. Now we just gotta cut that side in. But look, before you keep filming, look at this. Let's just kind of test fit this real quick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect. And we have some extra slack too, so it's gonna go a little further up, but look at that.
Easy.
Boom, guys. All right, let's cut that side out and we're almost done here. Ah. Bro, I think we might need a new wheat disc. It's almost cooked. But look, we almost got this. Yeah, I need to get my headlight too.
Yeah.
Show that. Just need to go to there. Yeah, why are we doing this without a headlight? Alright guys, so I almost have this side off, but bro, I just tapped my disc onto the frame a little bit on accident, and the thing is just shattered, bro.
Jeez.
My cutting disc.
Okay.
No, I'm fine, it
Could've
didn't
been
hit me,
bad.
but that's why we wear protection. But look, this piece is pretty
Wink,
much off, guys. Here, look at this. Still something you're filming, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's holding it on? Here, I'm gonna send it for a sec.
Send
Here.
it. I'm gonna back up.
This messed up disc, because I just need a little tiny cut. Oh, shit. No, there we go.
Hey.
Look at that. Yo, guys, so check this out. Freaking full race car now. Oh, careful there with the camera, buddy. Alright, but look at that, guys.
That looks sick.
That looks pretty damn sick, but here. That's insane. Here, let me put the new piece just so I can see. Alright guys, check this out. So this was my vision all along. And now we can finally just put it in place. Just like that.
Wow.
Oh my god, what did I tell you guys?
What did I tell you?
What did I tell you?
What did I tell you?
What did I tell you guys? Look at this. Let's go!
That's
Look
sick.
how sick. We still have to line it up and get it all like properly in place and like trim
yeah.
it. But
It looks so
what
good.
did I tell you?
That's crazy.
Yo, look at that, guys. Oh my god.
Ready to weld.
All we gotta do is just get the right, I'm gonna have to bolt it into the front so it's at the right spot. We're gonna trim this, prep the edges, and then weld down here, weld in the spot welds, do the same on the other side. And bro, guys, this thing is it.
Ready to ride.
Oh my god. Guys, all that work, but we're on the home stretch right now.
Home stretch.
I still need to prime it and do all that on this thing, but look at this. Yeah. And look guys, check this out. These are the damaged wheel wells that I cut out from there. So you can definitely tell, like this is the one I was hammering out, and this is the other one. It's missing all the coating. There's also like marks on it, so it was definitely a hit on both sides. So And she's still, and then if you look at these ones right here, once we weld these in and grind it and polish it, these look way nicer. Like look, both sides, so good. Well, other than that, guys, look, a whole brand new front end is back. It's on. Guys, look at this. And it looks way fresher than the other one that was all crumpled up on both sides. Even just with those 4 bolts in the front, that's on there. I could even drive with it like that. Just throw a headlight in. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys like this. As you can see, as long as you have a donor car, you could just basically take off spot welds and then you can transfer panels and weld them on. It looks a lot better. We're one step closer to getting it done. We're gonna paint the bash bar. We're also gonna get everything welded up, clean everything up, prime it, paint it, and then you'll never even be able to tell that it was even like this at one point. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.